What is up? Is someone else? Ladies, I guess. Boys and girls. Gentle feet. And gentlewoman. Gentlemen. How we doing? I have no idea. 30 seconds. Reagan, dude. Me and Reagan just played a big game of Fortnite. You believe it? You believe it? Oh, man. Let's get into this. What are we doing? What's up, Smirky? Smirky's in the chat. Are we doing Smirky? Just a cool 2 a.m. for you? Nothing much? No, that's nothing for Smirky. Okay, so what's the problem happening? So we got some. I don't know, dude. Kind of have some tough things to do tonight. Even thought about how to do them, so that's not fun. Bro, no way I lost points in that Fortnite match. I had one Elin. Reagan, where were you? Needed you. Dude, those guys were so dog shit. This didn't have any mats, dude. Oh, you know how to do them, Smirky? Okay. Well, the first thing is. Oh. Let's get this open. UI manager local. Let's open this guy up. I was fighting someone, also Reagan, dude. Yeah, we didn't do so well. It's okay though. I mean, we didn't do terrible though. At least we didn't just die off spawn and we got 1 kill, you know? Not the worst we've ever done. On enable, eh? Say this is gonna be networked. This is not a network. This is all local. We'll see how this goes. But we have our start method, and then we're gonna say UI manager local enabled equals true. Oh wait, no, that's gonna be false. So we're gonna set that to false. Make sure it's false when we start with the game. And I also have input control. I don't know if this goes under player input control, but it's kind of loud. Why is it so loud? Website is so loud. Or Brutus is, dude. Brutus said he would be here. I see the notification. It went through in the Discord, so here's Brutus. Oh no. Ricky Man didn't even talk on the game, so no. I didn't even talk at all. Dude, I couldn't figure out my voice chatting game. First booted up Fortnite, it really was bad? What do you mean? What way was it not that bad? So I don't know how, yeah, I don't know how to do this, but we basically, it's a bit of a weird one. So we have this inputs here. Our player custom game input. So we have this UI action map. I don't really know how to use this though. We use the UI action map. Maybe we can find a video on this. UI, Unity input. System UI. Enable UI with the input system. I don't know what this is supposed to do.
I'm going to show you how to enable UI for use with the new input system. So first, make sure you have the new input system installed. So go to Window, Package Manager, then under Package Manager.
Yeah, we know.
Right, so first we want to add a UI. So right click in the hierarchy and add a UI. And so I'll just be adding an event system right now. So an event system basically handles the input events. It listens for your input and then sends out the, and we'll want to replace this with the new input system module because you've so you see you do left click actions. In the actions asset, you can double click that and it'll take you to the action asset, all of your actions here. So let's say click in the drop down button, it corresponds to left button, tip for the pen, touch for touchscreen, and trigger for XR controller. If you want to change these, you can easily change the path or add your own. And if you assign your own action map, this module will automatically assign the action right to. And so just to test it out, you can right click and add a UI here. So we can add in a button and let's just name it button. So I've just centered this button. You'll see inputs for the UI. There's pointer type input, which is click navigate or navigate in between the wait and repeat. They're cool. Basically, these are best for maybe if you're making a mobile game and you'll use the joystick.
Ah, Bruce is here.
But it show you what I mean. So I'm just basically how much the joystick can move here, like control image, button, control bottom. We have UI well 0. Stick UI. You enjoyed? To thank my new patrons.
I don't get it, dude. Is it just... Let's try something real quick. So let's add a canvas. Let's add like 3 buttons real quick. UI button. I don't want to do. Ah. Fuck off. Okay. Oh, it works. We can scroll by default and press enter. Select it. In space. Wait, space also works to submit? That's pretty cool. That's just built in. Told you notify me and I shall come. I was wondering where you were, dude. I saw the notification go through. Making sure. Keyboard. Submit is, or navigate is up, down, left, right. Okay. Submit any. What does that even mean? Click. Oh, maybe it's just. Submit any? What does this mean, you guys? Oh, whoa. What did Reagan say? Like, first Fortnite in the games like it wasn't really that bad. I see. Yeah. No, it was, I feel like Fortnite actually feels way better than it used to. Like, they definitely did some optimization. I'm watching about your pan. Dude, why would you be watching a video about the origins of pan, man? Okay, well, this is the only thing that I'm kind of confused about. Submit. Binding, submit any. What does that mean? Indie, binding, submit. Okay, whatever. It's just some general key, I guess. I don't know how Unity determines it, but I think at least space and enter works. Let's see, so I navigate down, space, enter. Yeah, that's it. That's the only thing. And numpad enter, but okay. Alright, that's cool. Well, then the next thing I wanted to try is if we go into the UI builder, and if I add 3 UI buttons here, it's gonna work. I'm a little afraid that it's not. We're gonna have to in here and do time being. I agree with the video author. Peter Pan is a demon. He's actually the villain. Wait, really? Wait, what? Is that actually for reals? Hey guys, new video. Let's get a little like train. New vid. Oh, who reacted in the Discord? Let's see. Is it just? Oh my God! Only J-Dog, you guys. Sag. All right, let's try this out. Excuse me? Oh, that could have been bad. I did not mean to do that. That could have caused so much confusion. He lures children away from families to a place where he knows they won't have memories of their former lives. It's the full definition of evil. I guess it is, yeah. It's kind of fucked. Alright, let's see if I can navigate. Oh, you can! Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, I like the input system. I get it now. It's cool. Okay, so what kind of options should we put in the initial settings menu? So I have color changing, although I haven't really worked it out. I was gonna try to work this out a little bit more. Whoa, I don't like seeing my big face like that. And also, What is this? What happened? What game am I working on today? Flash FPS. It's the multiplayer FPS game that I'm the little test project. Get my networking skills up. So I want to have like player colors here, like in the menu. Let's maybe that's it for now. It's just a player color. I just wanted some simple ones, but I think of like what to add next. Volume, yeah, we could add volume and shit. That's not gonna be networked, but I'm down to just add that real quick because let's add in some fun stuff. Okay, so music, sound effect, dialogue. What kind of? It's like a little FPS game. Okay, so what I was gonna actually try to get is UI elements. This dude. So I really wanted to get a color wheel working. And this guy has a UI element that I can steal. But I don't know how to add it. Oh, okay, so I think it's pretty simple, but I wasn't understanding the last part, so I want to look at that real quick. It'd be pretty sick to have a color wheel, because that's like a really general thing that you want in game. You know? I think it says ooh. Camera view or something like that? What do you mean by camera view? Right now it's just like a stupid drop down, you know. Red, blue. You don't want that. Project, so Alright, so he says that we want to add the UXML, or I guess I don't know what you call these. Are they UXMLs? We want to add the one called game.ui. Let's add that in. And we can name it color pop-up. The player controller is good. I mean, I think the player controller is done for now.
MusicVine is the essential music licensing platform for pro
God.
filmmakers. Discover the world's top.
That's what I get for using free shit. Yeah, okay, so what you missed, I'll go over what you missed last stream, but dude, you missed actually something that's really, it was pretty cool. So I have my player movement class that's networked. So I made a state machine using something called enum flags, which JDog suggested trying out. And long story short, is that it's a normal enum, but it's assigned to like a binary number, right? I guess not a binary number. What do you call it? It's like a squared binary 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, whatever, a bitwise number, is that right? Anyways, so you assign these different enums to these values, and you do this flags option here, and it's so cool what you can do then. So then normally, like, you know, you would take like your current movement state or something, and you would assign it to one of those states. But the problem is sometimes you could be doing multiple at a time. So you could be like jumping and walking. You would want to keep track of both of those, right? So using enum flags, you can actually do both. And it's so fucking cool, dude. So like basically, like, let's say that I want to go into the idle state. So what you can do is, it doesn't matter what the current state is, you take the current state and then you do this operator, it's like the or equals operator, and it'll add this to the value, this idling state, and then the and equals not will subtract it away. And it doesn't matter how many states are currently active or what state it's in, it always works. And so if we go back in to the Unity editor, the best part, the cherry on top, is that you can see this in the editor. So if we go click on our player and then we look down at here, this current player movement state, we can see it's like idling, walking. And then if we're jumping and walking, it shows both. It's so fucking sick, dude. So anyways. Merc, you'll be back? Alright, dude. I know you'll be back. He's always back. So yeah, that's pretty neat. I really want to make a video on this, like using enum flags as a state machine. I think that would be a pretty cool one. Be pretty niche, but you know, I think you get some respect in the community with a video like that. So anyways, that was a lot of talking, but pretty cool. Okay, so let's get back into this. We have our color pop-up. Third panel. So insert the color field somewhere via UXML. I don't know where. So you should be able to see this, right? Oh, okay, it says it right here. Yeah, so start visible is false. Okay, so we can add that in there and then just say insert the color field somewhere. I don't know what the color field is. You just put it like here. Then they say insert or link the color field with a color pop-up. So we have access to that already. So we're just gonna have to copy this. I think we can just do this in on enable. This is our partial class, so we can go reference. And we have a color. Oh god, I love UI Toolkit Plus. It's so cool. We have color pop-up and we have oh, I didn't name it. Hold on, go back. Bit mask, by the way? Wait, what do you mean? Is that what it's called? Bit mask? Oh, I see something. It's good. The flag attribute indicates that the enum can be treated as something called a bit mask. Bit mask, alright. Sick. State machines using bit masks? Sounds so technical though. See, I need a good YouTube, I need a good title. Can I like get people who aren't like super like hardcore game devs to click on it? I could do one of those like don't do this or something. You need a state machine. I think something along those lines, like something more general. I'm wondering more if like it should be like a don't do this type of title. Do something that people like will recognize. Like what if I did don't do this and then the thumbnail was like this picture? Well, okay, it would be like this without the numbers. But it's just like a picture of like this enum but then it's just idle, walking, sprinting, something like that. For the follow-up video coming in for stage. What are you saying? Like, when would I do that? Other videos? Yeah, 2 videos? Oh, okay. I see. Yeah. I see what you're getting at. Just have like a generic state machine video for my channel, and then like the second one is the one I drop. Like, just kind of discusses the... Okay, I like that. Like an overview video of state machines. Yeah, gotcha. Okay. I like that. I might do that. It's cool. That's good because I think game devs on YouTube, they feed off of 2 things. They feed off of like hardcore, like in the weeds tutorials, but then they also just kind of like that relaxing content that's like overview, like large scope. Just you can chill, watch it, and like it's like actual YouTube content. That you think of YouTube content. Plug the second video and the first video, and you plug the first second. Do you think I'd drop them at the same time then? Necessarily. Just wait. You're just saying plug as in like it'll, like when you talk about the second one from the first one, you just say like look for it. Yeah, so in UI, I don't think, I'll keep this open. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. So I need to name this. Oh, I did name it. Wait, so did it not? Oh, it did name it grid. No? Oh. Where's the gen file? Here it is. Grid fill color. Okay. Where is const from, dude? It's supposed to be const? Wait, what? What is this? Second, today we'll be making a state machine Unity. This is a follow-up from an overview of state machines I did days ago. Be sure to check that out too if you haven't. Yeah, okay. I like that. Okay, let me write that down. We'll figure it out. This is also a really good one. The cleanest way to use Unity's input system. JDog came up with a really nice way of implementing it that I don't see on any other tutorials, so I want to make one on that as well. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm missing one here, but oh. So many ideas, man. So many ideas. I've been working on this one right here, the Super Bullets networking concept. That's gonna be the next video. Hopefully I drop. I also have this one done. Where is it? Here, this one. This Gaussian blur post-processing effect. So, this video is looking pretty good. Also, it's pretty well produced. I refilmed it, by the way. Here it is. That was the one I showed you. I refilmed the intro. So I'll probably drop this one in a few days, or I'll hold on to it depending on how quickly I can finish the next one. But I wanna drop this one, and I'm really hoping that this one can have an actual chance of being a banger. It's kind of funny because like I already have a sense of like what videos can be bangers and what can't be. Some controversial videos, true, very true. It will. Reagan, you think it's gonna be a banger? I think it's gonna be a banger. I've done a lot of research for it, but I have to do it right. %90% of Unity tutorials are garbage. Fuck yeah, that's a great one. And then just find examples of people doing dumbass shit. Hell yeah. Write that one down. Fucking great idea. So also at some point we're gonna do this challenge. I made a game in 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, and 1 week. That'll be a fun one. That's gonna take a lot of work though, but I want to do it. It'll be fun. Probably when I'm a little better. I'm a little like right now I'm learning so many new concepts in Unity. Like there's so many new things going on for me. There's networking, there's the UI builder toolkit thing. What else? And then there's just like a lot of like C# things that I've been trying to like brush up on and get better at. But it's starting to come together a little bit for me. So once those things fall into place and I'm feeling really comfortable. Oh, the input system, that was also the other one. So once all those things like start feeling really natural for me, then I'll probably go for this challenge. Because I'll actually be able to do something significant in a week. That's interesting. I also could just lie and just like take something I worked on for longer than a week, but I want to be authentic about it. I feel like if you're not authentic about it, like eventually you get caught. Yeah. Lose cred. We'll at least be semi-authentic about it. Doubts about the homing missiles video? Doubts? What do you mean? That's a fairly low priority one, so I probably won't get around to that one for a while. Yo, what is this const? Does anybody know? What is this dude trying to do here? Const.default grid fill color? That must be in like one of the classes he's made, right? Doesn't that come up with default grid fill color? My bad. It's the only place it's defined. Can I just do a color? Good. Let's do that. Yeah, it must. Yeah, right. He must just have like a class somewhere that's like all his constants. That's fucking weird. Whatever. It's not very important. I think it's just, yeah, the default color it looks like. Okay, let's see if this does anything. Fuck, it doesn't do anything. Well, now I'm lost. I don't know. You know what? Realizing that guild. Wait. Oh, hold on, hold. Wait, let me just get rid of this shit. Quick. Update this, right? Good. Just create another visual element here. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this. Delete this. Bring in color. Right, okay, so we can bring in color field. We can bring in color pop-up. Color field, he wants us to call pop-up element should be at the bottom of the document so that it can appear over the elements. Okay, maybe that's our problem. The color field is going to be called grid fill color. Murky, you're back already, dude. Couldn't fall asleep or what? Suspect that it'll be on par with the bullet decals. Yes, it's a reference and it's one. Guess he has a... Oh wait, already. Yeah. I'm a little worried too, but so my angle there is with no code. I'm gonna try to get game devs with like the no code thing. That was my angle at least. I feel you. I think it has a high likelihood of being a low view video. So I'm gonna kind of deprioritize it. I think this should just be like at the end technically. Do I need to like completely take it out? Okay, let's open up the UXML. Wait, what is this called? He called it. What did pop up? No, I might have named those the same thing. Let's go get this guy. Exact HTML. This is for the color field. It's called grid fill color. No, that's not the one. Yeah, okay, we fucked this up earlier. Okay, I've some hope that this will work. You? I feel like it's not working, dude. I could also try putting it in this UI element, but let's go into game. Let's see if it works.
MusicVine is the essential music licensing platform for pro filmmakers.
Does seem to be an issue with this. Trying to use some Unicode character that we don't have. Can you get rid of it? You didn't even try, Smirky? Why not? It's like almost 3 AM now, dude. Gotta at least try. What? Oh. Wait. Oh. I see what's happening here. That button I was pressing was the reset button. The reset label. This is supposed to be the thing that gets the pop-up. But it's not working. I'm highlighting it. Damn, I really wish this would work so I don't have to build my own. Label color field input. That's just like, it's not like not being activated or something. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. Wish I understood this shit better. Art visible equals false? How would we make that true? Oh, we can see it. Let's go. Well, that just proves it's in the right location. So yeah, I think we're not clicking. We're not able to click on this field because it's not showing up. That's our only issue here. Okay, so we can make that reset. Yeah, it tries to do a stupid Unicode character. Let's take this off for now. I don't want it. Yeah, so why is this not visible in here? It's not visible somewhere. It says its display is flex. Opacity is 100. It is visible. Overflow hit. What's its size? Size is auto, which I don't really. A little scary. Just like, it might be because of like what it's attached to or something. Does this just need to be bigger? With this auto. I think it's like 200, 300. There it is. There we go. Okay. It was just like expanding. Oh yeah. But once UI Toolkit takes off, it's gonna be so nice because you can just drop in all these fucking UI elements. We'll have them all over the place. The cool thing about them is you can code up some shit within the UXML. Or within, I don't know if you would call it UX, whatever this file is. It is a C# file, but it includes like reference to the UX. Okay, let's try this. Preview, we click on... It doesn't do it in here. Oh, nice. Okay. There's something weird going on with it, but it's pretty good overall. It's like no background color or something. Maybe we can customize it a little bit. Hard visible. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that's cool. You can expose attributes like this here. I wish I need to learn more about how to do all this stuff. Custom ones. Tab in. Pop-up panel container. don't even think I like that. It being 100%. Rather it just be like a fix. Also massive, dude. I feel like we could scale this down a bit. But... Damn, yeah, this is so cool. We can just totally style it. You know, a feature that I think is really missing from this is just like, unless maybe this is it, create template. Let's try this for a sec. It's like kind of like unpack, it's like unpacking a prefab. Kind of the same concept. Oh dude, I have not been looking. Dude, I totally forgot I'm streaming. Oh, someone was actually here earlier. Fuck me. Oh, dude, I need to do this more often. I need to grab the chat, pop it out. If I pop out chat, pop out chat. I forgot he was streaming on YouTube. I feel bad. They got someone into it. They thought it was funny that it said gentle woman there. Yeah, it's annoying that they change the link though for my chat every time. Then I can't see it on Streamlabs very easily. Let's do UI toolkit. Split test. Say templates. I don't know what templates are. Oh, fuck yeah. Unpack instance completely. Stream ID is generated at stream start. Well, like my chat link. Like this is my chat link. That changes whenever I start my stream. And so I have like a doc in Streamlabs where I can use a link and then it will like just show that link. Then I can dock my YouTube chat next to my Twitch chat. I could. Well, okay, you know what I could do is look at the Restream real quick. I think I can dock Restreams instead. Ooh, the Rolf in the chat. What's up, dude? I feel like the Rolf's up a little bit early today. Or maybe you're just not at work yet. Before work, he says this time. There it is, yeah. Yeah, so maybe few comments will display here. Let's test. Okay. Yo, it works. A little symbol next to it too. Bad URL for. Ah, gonna make me pay for that shit, really? Dude. See a way to reference it? It's so dumb. It's so annoying that I have to do it every time I go fuck. Like I didn't have to do this on Kick. Kick's chat was the same link every time. Yeah, I don't know. Stream chat link. Stream chat link. I think I got it. Let me type. Oh, here, I'll type something in YouTube. Huh? It works, and it tells me it's from YouTube. Fuck yeah. Okay, we got it. Never have to worry about that again. Woke up on a wall. I woke up to a wall on Messenger. Here's yourself with you. This human. This. Hey, I told you so. Is it like one of those like web networks, like fucking see in like CSI? Wait, we were about to find some fascinating shit right now though. No cap. I think if you make a template, you can unpack it. Unpack instance completely. Say what? Bro. Oh, never mind. It's just if it has more UXMLs inside of it. Cool. Dude, I wish you could unpack these. That's right, like we already created a template of this exact thing.
MusicVine is the essential music licensing platform for pro filmmaking.
Yeah, doesn't work. Damn, I was about to get so hyped. It's really a missing feature from this. Yeah, alright, well we gotta go about it this other way then, yes, which is like using the selectors. So I can say like custom color picker. Oh man, the roll. When you gotta head into work. $50. Hope you have a short commute. Well, okay, so we have the background, and then there's, well, oh, there's the blurred background. Okay, so actually I want this to be, I don't want that to show. So what we need to do is we need to look in here and we need to get I mean, I think we can just do pop-up panel. This. Yeah, okay, so it recognizes that now. Let's just set this to like a gray. 90 and switch 5. Fuck, it didn't. Didn't that work? Been dreading work lately? Brings in the dollar. True. Does bring in the dollar. You gotta work, unfortunately, in this world. We don't have AI taking care of us yet. Probably won't ever happen either. Damn, dude, why doesn't this work? frustrating? Is the size not big or something? I mean, no, it looks like the size is fine. See the blur panel. Unless the pop-up panel doesn't control the background. There's another... Oh, dot color pop-up. Okay, that's probably what we need. Right. Ah! Oh, sorry. Okay, wait. Alpha. Dude, it still doesn't work. No way. I don't need this. So it like needs to like save to take effect? Maybe it does because it's like a script. The image. You can see like all the matching selectors here. Background color, outline color, word color, back. What panel? Background color is transparent. Is there like a place where it specifies that? What is this? Background color. Oh, time for another quiz? Peyton's been on the redemption. Alright, one sec. Do that in like 2 minutes. I don't know if I can trust ChatGPT to take care of me. Dude, yeah, you can't trust it. Don't trust ChatGPT. Did I tell you about Find though, Rolf? Thought I told you about that. Maybe not. Maybe I was telling someone else. Find, the AI search engine for developers, and then you get 25 every 4 hours. You get 25 free searches using GPT-4. Fucking quite a bit better than ChatGPT for developers. It's already, I mean, it's way better for Unity, and its model is like updated, much more updated. It's like clearly crawled the internet in the last like month or something. Whereas like ChatGPT is fucking old shit. Yeah, check that out. Find. Phind. Well, you know, I also see this pop-up panel container. I mean, I guess we're just gonna like try to edit all of these, I guess, but I kind of feel like maybe this has something to do with it. Color, just do like blue. Doesn't like that. What is this? Ugh. All this shit is so... It's just so annoying, man. It's so hard to figure out. What else could it be? Pop-up panels container. Panel container. Then if we go into like the blur... What is this? Color pop-up content area. None of these are working, dude. Let's take a break. Do the quiz. Does it differ from ChatGPT 4? I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. I think it's like targeted for developers, like it's more refined. The answers are definitely more detailed. I think it's different, but it uses like ChatGPT 4 as like a base model, but I think it has like additional training set for developers. Ooh, classic mobile games. This is great. Okay, hell yeah, Reagan. All right, let's try this one out. Cut the rope or Plague Inc. I'm gonna go cut the rope. Good choice, good choice. This is a good quiz. The fuck is cow evolution? Zombies. Brawl Stars. Flappy Bird or Banana Cone? Let's do Flappy. Dragon City or Gray? Might be doing some prompt engineering. That's possible. Yeah, I don't actually really know. My guess would be, yeah, some prompt engineer. Something, I don't know, it's just like, it seems like it answers the question like more detailed and with like examples more often. So that makes me just think that, yeah, there's something a little different. A general chat GPT. I wonder if you can, maybe we can ask it. How many bird species are there? So it uses a different model. Answered that. Usually use ChatGPT 4. Something's up. Alright, Temple Run or Clash of Clans? Dude, that's such a hard one, but it's gotta be Clash of Clans. Minion Rush? Alright, I'm down for some Minion Rush. What? Tech support in the chat? Dude, what's up? It's been a minute. Zombie? I don't know either of these games. Clash Royale? Candy Crush? Oh, definitely Pokemon. Slither.io. Subway Surfers. Crossy Road? Wait, I haven't actually ever heard of this. Actually, I think I have. I just didn't know it was called Crossy Road, but I recognize this like model. Genshin Impact. This one of those Google search games where you need to figure out which is search for more? No, this is just like my favorite. We're doing like a... It's like a tournament style, and then I pick which one I like the most. We're doing classic mobile games. Among Us versus Candy Crush? Alright, let's go Among Us. Talking Tom? I don't think I ever played that game. Dragon City. There have been papers showing how LMs can be good at making decisions. What you find is asking ChatGPT how complex questions. Okay. Yeah. That was like a pretty easy one I asked it. Dude, wait, what is Talking Tom like? I don't actually know. Oh, Pogo. Bieber or Subway Surfer? Flappy Bird's just a classic, isn't it? Thanks. Cut the rope. Well. Export man, what you been up to? How's the game going? How's the publicity? Shout out to tech support, you guys. Give him a shout out. Let's get that link. Get the link in the chat. You know what I'm talking about, dude. Let's get the Steam link. Oh, you don't got a Steam link. You been working 13 hours a day? Wait, what you been working on? Like, you're just saying like work? Let's do Clash of Clans. Sales automation. Oh shit. That sounds pretty interesting. Damn, that sounds like something that could take off, bro. Good luck. Found a really good one? Okay, I'll do another one. I'll do one for you, Reagan. This one's not gonna take very long, so we're almost done. Among Us. Oh, Pokemon Go. Clash of Clans. Cut the rope. Alright, we're in our final four. Cut the rope versus Among Us. Oof. Alright, I'm gonna go Among Us. You gotta go. Thanks for reminding me about Find and have a good day. Alright, brother. Have a good day for yourself. Good luck at work, dude. I hope it's not too stressful. And I hope to see you soon. Next time I stream. I'll probably be streaming next Friday. Or this Friday. I'm kind of going every other day. Just so you all know. That's kind of my new schedule. Every other day. What does a sales automation platform even work? Just like something like companies would buy? Like a company uses your software and then they like submit a request for a product and then it like literally just takes care of all the purchasing and everything? Clash of Clans versus Pokemon Go? This is actually so hard, dude. This should be my finals. These are no doubt my top two mobile games. Dude, I can't decide. Fuck. feel like at this point I have to go Pokemon Go. I'm gonna agree with you, Reagan. It's my winner. Probably played that game the most of all of them, but I played so much Clash of Clans. I played Clash of Clans like a solid couple years. Clash of Clans is the highest win rates and highest championship rate. Or no, Subway Surfers has highest win rate actually. Dude, Subway Surfers is honestly a really good game. It's like probably the best runner, like infinite runner on mobile. I didn't get Angry Birds. Bruh, Pokemon Go's all the way down here. That's some bullshit. Alright, what's the new one? Let's do another one. I'm overworking on this UI builder shit. I need J-Dog to get here. Here's my boy J-Dog. Best Valorant map? Dude, there's not even like... Wait, 16? I think these are gonna like... I guess there's like 9 maps or something. Pearl versus Haven? Definitely. Fuck Pearl. Icebox, oh, versus Split. Split's a pretty goated map, honestly. Alright, Split versus Breeze. Definitely Split, dude. Split's better. Lotus versus the Range. I seriously want to pick the Range. That's how much I fucking hate Lotus. I want to pick the Range, dude. Alright, clip it, dude. We picked the Range. Dude, fuck Lotus. Alright, clip it, dude. We picked the Range. Dude, fuck Lotus. Flipped. I'm sending that to Colin right now. Actor versus Haven. Haven. I think Haven's better. Oh, this is a tough one. This is the first time it's been hard. Let's see. Why do I like Bind? Should I say why do I hate Bind? The more I think about it, I don't think I like Bind. I like Ascent. Ascent is a pretty fucking good map, dude. It's really well balanced. Yeah, Ascent. Ascent. The Range versus Split. I think, yeah, Ascent. Ascent's my favorite map. Easy. It's just the most balanced. Ah, what do you know? Ascent is the highest championship rate and the highest win rate. Yeah, long shot, 85% win rate? Dude, almost half the people think this is the best map. That's actually insane. It just goes to show you, dude. Ascent is actually a really well balanced map. I'm kind of surprised Icebox is this high, but I get it. Icebox has like a lot of variability in it. a lot going on in Icebox. It's pretty fun overall, I guess. It's just, I think I just hate it because my win percentage on it was so bad for so long. Man, what are these fucking these web devs talking about in here, dude? Honestly, Split is the best map? Dude. Nah. That's pretty good though. What do I like? I'm just trying to think, what do I not like about Split? I think Split's second best map. There's not a whole lot that I don't like about Split. There's some things that I just really don't like about. The only thing I really don't like about Split is that B-side entry is really annoying. Playing B-side on offense is like, if the other team knows what they're doing, it's so hard to enter B-side, dude. Like literally all you have to do as a as who am I trying to think of? Literally all you have to do is Brimstone is just like the Brimstone can just fucking solo hold B basically. You just smoke the entrance if they're there. Like you have someone on site and then like peeking garage long and then you smoke it off if you see them. And then you basically just wait with Brimstone with a fucking molly lined up. And as soon as they flash in, you just fucking molly that shit and you just shit on everybody. So then basically like if Jet Dash is on, you have to rely on your like other player holding B site to like pick them, but if you get that pick, it's just over because then other people can't enter, or if they try to, they're just like all fucking super damaged and you just shit on them. They're smoked off too. It's such a nightmare to enter B, dude. I hate it. That's the only one thing I hate about Split. Always hit through mid. I love mid plays on Split. Yeah, I mean, I think yeah, that was the only thing I could think of. Like mid plays, there's a lot of mid plays that are really good. There's nothing about mid that's like annoying or like OP. You can wall it off. A site's pretty well balanced overall, like because I like the fact on A site.
Perfect music for your productions.
I like the fact on A site that there's like two entry points kind of like you can either choose to go straight on a site or you can choose to like take over heaven. I really like that because it like leads to like a lot of different play. So A and mid to me on attacking are pretty good. They're pretty safe. They're pretty fun. B can just be really trash and garbage. Anyways. Hey, dude, I have no idea what's going on with this shit. I don't know how to change any of this stuff. Like I'm literally I have them over here. I guess the true test would be if we can do anything is like let's get the label. Is it even gonna let me change that? Other pop-up heading? Yeah, no, this is gonna change. Cool. Oh, it changes! Oh my god. Something changes, so that means that we can do it. Text? Wait, I can't. Wait. I can't change the text color, but I can change the text background? That doesn't make any sense. I can make it bold, but I can't change the size? Dude, this doesn't make any sense. Yeah, dude, this doesn't make any sense. I'm so confused. Okay, well, we could go like. We have color pop up here. I need to understand all this stuff better. It's just better, in my opinion, but I have Sharp is such an impressive language to me. Figure out why everyone in my state. What's wrong with C Sharp? I don't get it. This says pop up class name. Heading area. Do I have those in here? Heading area. Color pop-up area. Like that doesn't change, but maybe. Oh. It's very odd to me that this would change the whether if it's bold or not, but it won't change the size. I don't really get that part. Courses that load style sheet, pop-up style. Maybe I need to use the style sheet. Is that on here? Pop-up styles resource. What does it use? Pop-up styles resource. Color pop-up style sheet. Color pop-up style sheet. Okay, maybe that's what I need to do. Import that into here. Nothing's wrong with C#, but my situation, my state is reverse. Most of the Java and JavaScript of the King's Enterprise. Oh, interesting. Python is there too. Fuck, dude, you guys have so many like tools. What is OCaml? Oh, I feel. Full stack shit is crazy to me, dude. You guys do so much. So much shit here. The pop-up submit button. At least that works. What about the background? Does the background work? I feel like fuck yeah. Okay, I think this is what we needed. Oh my god, I was about to give up. I'm serious, you guys. I was about to give up. I was like less than 5 minutes from giving up on this shit. This better work. Better keep working. OCaml has a JavaScript transpiler. saying that right, dude? O camel? Is it O camel? Okay, what we really need is the color pop-up. Okay, color pop-up heading. Unresolved variable. I don't know what that means, dude. Okay. Yeah, we can make it bold. Color. Hey, it works. Oh my god. Okay, so now let's find the Oh, this is so cool. They set this up. This is such a good learning project. So, does this have... Okay, that works. Why does that look so... Yeah. Okay, then there's this like bottom... The content area and there's... Oh, camel. A camel. Right, I'm saying it right. Oh, camel. Project endeavor maintenance. Fine, very active development. Later to bomb, I need advice. Masters in data analytics, MBA. That's a big question to ask, dude. Well, I don't know if I can recommend any certain one, but I'm just gonna talk through what I know and see daily life. So, I mean, Masters in Comp Sci, that speaks for itself. Like, go get a job. My only worry with Comp Sci degrees these days is that like they're getting more and more common. Right? There's increasingly higher and higher competition for Comp Sci jobs. And I worry that it's only gonna get worse with this whole ChatGPT shit. Oh, that's what I think about comp sci. But obviously, like historically speaking, the last 10 years, a master's in comp sci is the best degree you can basically get, dude. Like it's the best fucking degree. So take that negative side with a grain of salt. Data analytics. I mean, that seems pretty interesting to me. I feel like people always need data analytics, you know. I think that's the type of job that ChatGPT will have a hard time automating out. Data analytics is like very manual work a lot of times. Like it, you really have to get in there and like always be changing things, and always be doing new analyses and stuff. And like these analyses can't just be like automated very well a lot of time. Or I mean, you can turn it into an automated process for like a single task, but I feel like data analytics at its core is like, it's like your job is changing so fast and on the fly that like there's not time to like automate the whole analysis all the time. So it needs human intervention for sure. That's my thought on data analytics. Sounds like, I mean, in the scheme of things, like interesting slash boring, like wise, like data analytics doesn't have that same sexiness to it. That's the con to it, I guess. But I feel like there's always going to be jobs for that, and there's always going to be a pretty good availability there. I think data analytics also, you don't get maybe paid quite as much. Like the upper bound is maybe a little bit lower. MBA, dude, I mean, it just depends if you're that type of guy. If you want an MBA and you're really passionate about it, then I would say like, yeah, I get it. Like that's the best one. But unless you're like, if you're not the type of dude who's like, I'm gonna be networking all day, I'm gonna be talking to people all day, like I'm gonna be like getting my ins and shit and scheming with other people, like if that's not who you are, then I wouldn't do it. IT management, I don't know. That's kind of in this. I would lump it closer to like my spiel about data analytics. Like there's always gonna be jobs for it. IT is like always one of the most high demand jobs that exists. In IT management, like I mean, pretty good. That's a pretty good career path. Solid career path. Anyways, those are my thoughts. Data analytics IT is meh in my opinion. Data analytics programs are super mediocre. A bunch of my friends did those. Well, they can't. Cool with stats backgrounds. Yeah, maybe I don't know data analytics like the field as well as I should, as well as I came across. I don't know. I don't really know day to day what you do as a data analytics type person. Free programs online that can take you a lot further than any data analytics. I mean, it's all about the piece of paper though, right? It's like, I mean, it's sad but true. Like you don't go to school to like, you don't go to school to fucking necessarily get the best education anymore because there's so many online resources. Like it's up, whether or not you go to a good school, like it's up to you to be good at what you're doing. After college, it's up to you, dude. You go to fucking Harvard. If you didn't care, you're not gonna learn shit. I've seen people from Harvard in my field that don't know shit. I've seen people from no-name schools that are fucking leagues better than Ivy League kids. Like, in physics, is arguably one of the most complex topics and one of the hardest to learn online. So, even in a topic like that, you know, you see this wide divide in outcomes. So, I don't know, dude. It just matters you fucking put in the time. But, you know, with that said, at the end of the day, like, go out and want to get hired, like, people are gonna fucking hire you if you have a master's degree. They don't care if you did some online program that no one's ever heard of.
Struggling to find the perfect music for your production.
Studied physics in college. I did for my PhD.
Music in the world for productions that demand more. License a higher quality.
Yeah, I work as a physicist. And then I also, on the side, work as a really shitty programmer. But the good thing is I'm a lot better than a lot of the other physicists because I do this as a hobby. Physicists love to think they're fucking good programmers, dude. It's really funny. The most trash programmers. Like I don't even consider myself a good programmer. I can consider myself a programmer who can get the job done, but like in terms of like actual computer science, like I don't know shit, man. What do I work on? I do quantum computing. I work on the experimental side, so like I basically test and like I test devices. People make devices and I test them. I like it's kind of like testing like a computer processor. One of the most critical software in history was written by physicists. Well, I mean, yeah, that might be true because like I mean, physicists in general have a much deeper understanding of like mathematics and statistics and all that. So like when it gets down to like the really nitty-gritty like computer sciencey things, like if you need to like you need a proof of like how something's gonna work, like physicists are gonna be pretty good at doing that in general. But like I'm just talking like modern day like computer science knowledge. Like physicists love to think that because they have like a physics degree that they can just pick up programming and like they understand basic programming. They're like, I can do this shit. It's easy. It's like I can do it. But like at the end of the day, they don't know shit about designing like a complex architecture and like how to manage like a really large project. Aerospace friend who thought he was good at programming. Didn't solve a basic out. Exactly, yeah. Like in general, like physicists have no idea how to like fucking do algorithmic shit. Like, yeah, we're trash at that shit. We know how to like make plots. That's what we know how to do. I'm pretty damn good at the pandas library, Python. I would say I'm very good with pandas. But besides that, I don't really like wouldn't talk myself up on any coding related thing. I would just say I'm decent. Alright, Reagan, you taking off? Later. Hey, at least we got that Fortnite game in earlier. We tried, we tried. Yeah, physicists understand differential equations, whereas it's something I go with. Yeah. Yeah, I think like the thing that's the hardest to really grasp and like know and like what physics teaches you to do that I think is like the most important aspect, like learning how to properly approximate things. It's really hard. It's a really hard concept to get down, but like I'm sure most like if you did a lot of math, you know what a Taylor expansion is probably. So it's one thing to know how to use a Taylor expansion, but to like understand the concept of like when to use a Taylor expansion and like how it's useful and like what it can apply to, like that concept is extremely difficult. It took me like many years to like actually grasp. And you literally use them all the fucking time. Like you get these crazy things happening in physics and it's like you could just ask a program to like solve it like, you know, numerically for you. But that doesn't really give you a lot like the insight that you might need. So what you can do is take some extremely like complex problem that you can't even understand at all and you can throw it into a computer and you get the right answer and you can you know try to look at some range of values and inputs, but like sometimes the range of values are so large and there's so many variables that it's like you can't numerically explore that space well. And so what you need to do is you need to approximate things in that equation and boil it down into an equation that you can look at and just be like, this part of it does this part of it does this part of it does this. I've made the proper approximations. Now I can get like first order, second order understanding of like how this thing works. Being able to do that is probably the hardest part of physics. Know them in theory, but never got a chance to use it. Yeah, I mean, it's like, that's like me with coding, you know. It's like I know a lot of these, like I know of a lot of concepts and things, but it's like when it comes down to it, it's like I need to apply this concept and like actually use it like in my own architecture. That's when I get lost. I think in neural differential equations a few years ago, as close as I got to any of that. An ODE solver felt very cool. Yeah. But I mean, yeah, numerically solving things is also, I mean, it's like fucking most of what theory people do in physics these days. Computers are so powerful. Well, I don't know, you guys. I can just keep fucking designing this thing to make it look kind of nice. Not really sure what else I'm doing right now. This has been pretty fun to figure out. I now have a UI element that we can do color picking in. Looks really nice overall. Really customizable. I think I understand all the aspects of it, so. These are the parts of game dev they don't tell you about, dude. How you spend fucking 3 hours figuring out how to make a color picker wheel. See, can we like let's do like a oh, what the? That's not what I expected. Oh, that's the text. My bad. I want to do a border. Okay, and then we can do a radius. Dude, I love the UI toolkit. It's so nice. We can do rounded corners like that. These maybe is too much. That looks pretty good. Okay. I feel like you're going to find things like physically based simulation so much easier. Jealous. Physically based simulation. Exactly sure what you mean. Are you talking in terms of like a computer science concepts here, or just like physically based simulations in general? As far as when you have to spend 3 hours to make a color wheel next time too. We did last time will no longer work. Yeah, well, hopefully I can just like I can use this USS file to just like save all my styling. But that's the kind of the power of this toolkit is you can save the style sheets. I didn't even realize that he had a style sheet in this repository though until like minutes ago. Let's find the top area. Okay, here's the bottom. Color pop-up buttons bar. This is like the bottom area. Guess so. Yeah, that's the only that it could be. Okay. Let's make this like a nice I don't know what this means. Unresolved variable. Can't be great, right? Can't be great. Next projects. Oh. Yeah. There's the okay, I don't want the heading, I want the area. Okay, sure. Background is 30, 250. Ooh, nice. Pretty good. About the text labels here. What does this have? Unity text elements. Like all default shit. So I think we would need to do like hold on. Label. What is this?
Several months ago, I started developing K, an AI chatbot whose job is to know everything about my smart home and assist my family. Using GPT, K evolved rapidly to the point where it could suggest code and commands to run my smart home. So, what
Oh
if
my
I turned off
god.
guardrails and gave K access to influence my automations?
What the fuck?
What if I gave K autonomy over my smart home? Well, I guess I'll find out.
Dude. I'm gonna watch this later. Looks pretty funny, honestly. How's the old channel doing, dude? Nothing to really check today. I don't know. We got the new video that I published this morning. Bad Boy's got 10K views now. .9K. I don't know, dude. I just need some more bangers, I guess. Like, okay, is easy video series for me. All right, we're more than 1/10 of the way to the watch hours, so that means we can do it. We can do it, dude. We're on pace. Just gonna take another. I don't know, dude. Can you look at like channel watch time over time? I think I can. Analytics, go watch time. What am I getting per day right now? Somewhere in like the 25 to 30 range, so 3,600 divided by 25. 144 days. I'll be monetized in 144 days, yeah. Oh shit, bro. Nah, it'll snowball. It'll snowball a little bit. Easy video series, catalog and share your analytics over time. YouTube growth doesn't work. How does it work? Exponential? What were you gonna say? Is that what you're gonna tell me? Won't be linear. Yeah. Man. We gotta get just a few more videos out there, and then it'll speed up a lot. I don't foresee this video slowing down anytime soon. But then again, I don't know shit about YouTube. It might taper off a tiny bit, but I feel like it's gonna be getting like a solid 500 views a day for a while. Impressions is pretty good. Or the click-through rate's pretty good. View duration's good. I think. I mean, 37%, 38%. I don't really know. I don't know what's good for this niche. We need a couple more to take off a little bit. I'm hoping some of the ones coming up will. The click-through rate's 4.8%. I think it's the highest of any of my videos. It's above average. Yeah, like from my understanding, that's pretty good. 3%? Oh, 3% is average? I didn't actually know that. Cool. How's this one? Oh, it's tapering off again a little bit. It started shooting up though, like a few days ago. Not sure how this one's gonna do long term yet. It definitely got a little boost about a week ago. 0.1%? Like, so that one's still pretty good. I think the problem with this one is the watch time is just pretty shit. Like, it's 15 minutes long, and the average duration is like 2 minutes. The average watch time duration is less than my other video, and this video is like 3 times longer, right? The roll is back, dude. Yo, what's up, dude? Man made it into work. So the lurk. Go lurk. See more videos? Yeah, I think that's true. I'm learning though. Like this one is too niche. It's just not ever a video like this is never gonna get views.
since then, Unity developed.
Also could have done it better, but I just don't think like this it just doesn't have the keywords. That's why that video didn't do very well. This one we already talked about. I think the thumbnail is not representative of what it is. And I think that's the worst part is the title. The title is not very good. That title. I don't think the thumbnail is necessarily the problem, but I don't think it helps. I think it hurts my watch time, actually. That's what it hurts.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Because I think people click on it and then they like immediately see,
Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna.
they see this, right?
Bullet holes will disappear after.
Telling them what they're going to see at the end. And within the first few seconds they see this, it doesn't match up with the thumbnail. Exactly, you know, like they get the impression from the thumbnail they're making some really cool bullet hole effects, but then really what's happening is I'm just like explaining how to make bullet hole decals. Not really the same thing. So then I think people's watch time is pretty low. The click-through rate is just not good because the fucking title is shit. Also say master. Yeah, like master is just a really poor choice now that I think about it. This video is just dying. This is not the 10-day outlook you want on a video. Like it's not being pushed at all anymore. Look at this. Holy fuck. YouTube decided fuck this video. Click-through rate's 1.6%. So like I watched a video earlier that was like click-through rate tells you 3 things. I remember the third thing. 1, how good is your thumbnail? 2, how good is your title? What was the third thing? I think 3, just how interesting is the topic. It's the topic. That's what click-through rate tells you. So 1 or more of those 3 things is bad about this video. Because the click-through rate is fucking horrendous. I don't think the thumbnail is the bad part, right? Because the thumbnail looks good. It also can be some combination of the 3. Like they don't match up, right? But it just makes me think like the problem is the title. You could argue the problem is the topic. I don't really think that. Like, people are interested in Unity tutorials that show bullet hole effects in general. So I think the title just isn't grabbing people's attention. And right, it's kind of arrogant. Might turn people off. Yeah, that could be true. Yeah, I thought so hard about like what to put here. I just couldn't come up with anything good. Yeah, I think I just wasn't thinking on all cylinders for there. Oh well. I might redo this video and make it a quick one, like a 5-minute video at some point. It'd be really easy for me to redo it in a shorter time frame and then just like explain some simpler concepts and then make it more of like an easy watch. Maybe you should try giving the Unity part in the thumbnail a background. Yeah, I could do that. Okay, let's look at this video. I kind of like analyzing these things. Helps me a lot thinking about like what to do next. Okay, so this video is kind of, I knew this one wasn't gonna do well, like from the get-go. I'm gonna try to avoid doing videos like this in the future. At the time, I was like, I want to push out content. I'm a little behind. I'm just gonna push out something really easy. So that was my thought process. And I was hoping to just take over the whole like if someone searches for custom fonts in Unity, like I was hoping to take over those keywords by making it have a really nice thumbnail and doing it in like 1 minute. So maybe eventually this will start getting some views. That was my plan, but it's obvious it's not going to be a short-term like blow up video. That's for sure. Getting your expert opinion on something will be what makes your channel blow up. You need physics from a physicist. That's actually true. I should maybe hone in on that a little more. Ooh. I could like analyze physics in games, like other games. I'm gonna write that down as like a potential series. I'm just gonna say game dev physics physicists. I think there's a lot of potential videos to do that. We could look at individual games. We could look at a swath of games. We could say like what games have the best physics. There's a lot of options there. Click-through rate's pretty bad, 2%. I don't think there's anything wrong with the thumbnail, so it's either the topic or title. I mean, it's just a topic. It's just not a good topic, I think, is my conclusion there. This one's, I think it's too early to tell anything significant from this one. The impressions are so low. At least it's around 3%. It's better than the last 2 videos I did. But again, I think it's too early to tell. Layman's videos and a deep dive. Yeah, true. Yeah. So many videos like this prove desired. Yeah, true. Okay, let's look at what this looks like in game now. We can go into here, right? And then start visible is
Hey everyone, this is Soundro. I hope you enjoy using my tracks.
okay. Click, and we see our color picker wheel. And I would like to change the font of these, but that not change the color. Doesn't actually change the color. So that's kind of broken. Be something to fix at some point. Most of the largest channels by sub count on YouTube are education channels. Yeah, no, I mean that's what I want. Like I don't want my channel to be just generic Unity tutorials. I've started it out, but I'm gonna be quickly trying to get away from that a little bit. I still want to do tutorials, but when I do tutorials, I want them to be like, and I want the majority of the content to be like digestible crossover between game dev, anything else. It's a game dev channel that's cool, but I don't want to be like gritty, like dev, C sharp shit all the fucking time. So yeah, well, this is pretty cool. It works. Not sure what's going on with this like weird line in the middle. Maybe we could get rid of that, and then I'm also gonna color these a different color and make the background here a different color. Oh, and then also I can't see this text either. Let's work on that real quick. Sick toys in WWE? Wait, what? What are you saying, dude? Brutus has gone off the deep end. That's the top 50 by YouTube by subs. Oh my god, what the hell? It's so random. Like, okay, here's an example of what I don't want to do. Could do this, but I think this is what I'm trying to get away from. It's like I worked on this for a while, right? This like UI builder, like color picker wheel. So I could make a tutorial, and it would be an awesome tutorial because like people would find it really useful. People would find it increasingly useful as UI toolkit is used more. But at the end of the day, a tutorial about how to make a color picker wheel inside of Unity's UI toolkit is not going to get views. It isn't. I would personally love to make that video, but the truth is it's just not going to get views. So, you know, I don't think I want to do it then. The long story short, I disagree. Uh-oh. I mean, convince me then. Like, convince me how it's gonna get views. What's your angle to get views then? With a video like that? The Unity project needs by. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is like, well, you can't give views and frame it as here's a tutorial about making a color picker in Unity. If you frame it from a different perspective, maybe. Considered putting it on the asset store. Well, I don't think I can do that because I'm just using this dude's repository. I didn't make this from scratch. I mean, that's another reason not to do this. Like, I didn't make this from scratch, so if I really wanted to do a tutorial on it, I would probably have to make it from scratch and learn how to make it from scratch. It's fucking complicated as hell. Yeah. No, I'm just stealing this dude's. I don't know. He phrases it as like this is like a learning project, and it's not plug and play. So I've had to like kind of download some of his things and then like change it for myself. So that's kind of what I've been working with, but it has been a really good way to learn. Give him that. But yeah, all I've done is really like figure out how to actually use it, shit, put it together. I mean, it's not crazy complicated, but it would definitely take me many hours to replicate something like that. I don't even think I want to do that. Tutorials about UI are much more general than bullet decals. Yeah, but I would also say that tutorials about color pickers are not more general than tutorials about bullet decals. So if you want to come at it from a general UI perspective, maybe, but I'm just saying a title like make a color wheel in Unity's new UI system. It's not gonna get views. All that, dude. I mean, I'm not saying like you could come up with like a title that's more catchy and maybe brings in people from like the general UI class, you know, there's lots of searches and interest in UI in Unity. Like there's that topic as a whole has enough people for your video to pop off. Question is, how do you bring in all of those people? General UI tutorial, a HUD or something. Yeah, but then of course there's the problem of like 20 people have done that tutorial art. Oh. Tutorials are good when you find something that's unique and interesting and it's not hyper niche. That's when I'm gonna try to like do tutorials in the future. But then the other side of my content, I'm gonna do more like general layman discussions about certain things. So like I have this one coming up about super bullets. Super bullets are when like the fire rate is faster than like server tick rate and the server processing time combined. And what happens is you get like 2 bullets hitting you instead of 1. So I'm gonna like, that's gonna be my next video, which is more of like a general layman's like overview of game dev and like interesting things that can happen with bullets. Good point. You need to start putting the version in the title, description, both. Got the version. Oh, like Blender 3.0. Can I change my title? Or is it locked in?
Beginner-friendly tutorial.
Yeah, I should have done Blender 3.4. Version. Blender Loop 3.4 out. Yeah, I should have Blender 3.4 in here. Because people like to click on the more recent version videos. I mean, I'd say 2023 in like most of my videos. Polo Shield Shader Graph Tutorial, Unity 2023. Threshold lag with new add-on, Unity 2023. Okay, what are these? First of all, we need to figure out how to change. Wait, actually, I want to try something. What is controlling this text? Okay, I'm using this stupid debugger here. Just a Unity text element. I guess I can. What did I say it was? Unity text element, Unity label. So what, I can do like Unity label here? Does this work? Gonna work, dude. Oh yeah. Hello? I am a traitor. Shit. Don't tell anybody. Ah. How can I change this without... Let me see what happens if I change the text here. Change all of them. The thing is, like, it doesn't change the size. 28. I guess it did. Okay. Old. This one's doing its own thing, but it also has that selector, so I think that's what's confusing. Let's not do that. 16. Oh no, but then I made that one small now. Ah, see, this is just 16. So dumb. So how do I change this now? I need to like add additional. The thing that I don't understand though is he was able to change it in his. Unless it's not. Unless he did change this one. Guess what are the what are these ones? Field or something. Oh yeah, we can get in here. I forgot. Unity button. The pop-up submit button. See if I can change the text. Or let's go 16. Oh yeah, we can do that. CD is inspiring. Bruh, well I can't. I have to be able to do it. Looks like shit. Can't make a good game without being OCD about all these things. Okay, the last thing is this. Well, you know what would be also cool is like little. I think he has like a little. Oh, he makes these circles. Interesting. I don't necessarily need them to be circles, but I was gonna put like a little outline on them. Green slider. And there's so many different things though. Border. Let's do two. Make it like a white border. Look okay. I wanted to make it. Oh, maybe like a little opaque. What he did with that one, with this guy up here. I like how it looks like a little, or sorry, a little transparent. I mean, maybe like 150. Wait, how is there any? 0 right now.
Hey, you're currently listening to 92 Elm on Upbeat. This is one of hundreds of tracks that you can access and download when you upgrade to Upbeat Premium.
It's tough. Controls the radius though. Oh shit. Way too big. What? Why does it look like that, dude? Like an inner border? Ugh. It's like an inner border, dude. Why is it like that? Border's supposed to be on the outside. CSS? Yes, it is. Yeah. All CSS now, all the styling. Okay, maybe I don't do these. What do you mean weird? Why is that weird? Okay, let's back off this for a sec. One thing I want to do is this. This area here. Something weird going on with the drag container. You need drag container. What is this fucking line in the middle? Tracker. Oh, you know what I think I can do? That's right. I'm starting to remember shit now. I can do the parent shit. Okay, I'm gonna try something. So let's do Unity Tracker. That doesn't work. Oh, right. That's not the select. Oh my god, what is all this shit? Other pop-up hue slide. Oh, it's right here. Alright, we already have this. I think. Hue of this. There we go. Unity base slider dragger. Okay, it's this one. Okay, I'm sorry. It's starting to come back to me. I'm remembering how I can add some. Back to the last time. It's now 5 a.m. Dude. It's murky, bro. You need to sleep. Okay. Is this a border? This must be the border. Weird that it was like that. But okay. This needed to be touched. Now, I don't know why this is all off to the fucking side. Like start. If I change this, yeah, it does change. Good. We can put a border on this. Good. Oh yeah, it's weird to me that the border is inside. When does that happen? Element like this. I do -1. Look at this shit. It just goes in. Why? That's frustrating. I don't get that one. Okay, then how is this being... How this is being aligned, but change it to be position. I don't know, just hard coding it for now, I guess. Sends this value. Okay, cool. Right, and so yeah, what I wanted to do is do color pop up and then Unity label. Yeah, okay, so now I can get rid of this one. Pretty sure. I can just make these bold. Nice. Okay, so now that doesn't affect my Unity shit. Selectors. Okay, then that means the last one is get these text field. Have any So it's gonna be Unity lectures, dude. Fuck. I need to go to bed, dude. It's about to be 1 a.m. Holy shit. So there's the Unity text field, Unity base text field input. The Unity base text field. But yeah, it's these. Okay, cool. And then we can do the backgrounds. 2020. Okay. Text field. Unity base field. So then we can do color pop up. The base field. Ah, shit, that affects so many things. Oh yeah, it's the text, it's input text that I want. What's this? This controlling the text? Not displaying text here right now. I don't think that was it. Oh, let's go back. See what it looks like. Oh, it works. It kind of works. Oh no, but this is back to the old one. What the fuck? Oh, that's annoying. Wait, why doesn't it show? Weird. Doesn't respect these colors. What the fuck? Well, I think this is a problem for tomorrow. Not gonna lie. Let's? That. Still does it. Take a pick for J-Dog. I don't know if J-Dog's ever gonna show up today. Alright, I think I'm gonna cut the stream off. I'll see you guys. Fergie, I hope you get to bed, man. Rolf, good luck at work, and Brutus, give me them fucking YouTube ideas, dude. I'm just kidding, dude. We came up with like so many tonight. I have way too many ideas at this point.